shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Grab Mr. 1, Mr. 1. Where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happy. Mr. 2, Mr. 2. Where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with one neat move. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near frame by St. Bees. Hannibal Gershel bone. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny fogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Malbud does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Oh no! Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and the old Girl Scouts then made a silly shake. Mr. 9, Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo, hiding near 9 toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are disappearing. Oh no! Some numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them. Can you help? Let's play peek-a-boo and find all the numbers. Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, said peek-a-boo, I found you, number 1. Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 2. Mr. 3, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 3. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 4. Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 5. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 6. Wow! Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 7. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 8. Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 9. Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peek-a-boo, I found you, number 10. Yay, let's dance! Kitty found all numbers today. Peek-a-boo game, let's all play. Wow. From 1 to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. Wow. Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, sit, please. Cow goes mute, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing, desk instead. Bugs bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splashing splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none. Pig says, just, this is fun. Oink, oink. Slow. Pig is running like a show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, what? Please. Rooster shouts, no, ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh. Oh no. Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, everywhere. Duck slides in with splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, splash. Classroom turns into a munch, munch. Stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty crab, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Bubble, bubble, don't pop, pop. Something scary makes you stop. Kitty says stay close to me. Baby shark, what can it be? Bubble, bubble, and go slow, slow, slow. All history's about to show. Pete and baby shark are playing. Bubbles flying, kids are swaying. Pop, 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 goes every side. Laughing loud with happy pride. Be bubble back, yay, yay, yay. Play with bubbles all the day. Suddenly silence in the air. Bubbles stop, nothing's there. Sky turns dark, very slow. Cold wind starts to blow. Baby shark whispers, I don't like this. Kitty says something is wrong. Subble, bubble, where you go? Something strange is starting to grow. From bubbles, something nice is fly. Big round face, ears high. No hands, no feet, just cawing face. Spinning slowly in the place. Monster says, give me light. Baby shark hides in fright. Oh no, no, what is that? Kitten silly, bubble salute. Baby shark, wait, that's it. Kitty laughs, it's just a little break. Bubble monster, go away, go. Help, bubbly, I'll never do. She raises one up to the sky. Bubble magic, let's try. Sparkles everywhere, okay. Doing Santa scary pay. Kitty shark is happy now. No more fear, just fun tonight. Bubble, bubble, okay. Something strange is starting tight. Kitty egg is happy now. Beauty shark is happy now. Bubble and says wow, wow, wow. So wow, wow, wow. So much fun. Wow. Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. Oh, he shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes looks all the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Can't talk, beep, beep, beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. Hey, wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to